Let's get it. How y'all doing? How's your mom and them? But yeah, no, good Lord. I got sick over my vacation. I thought, yeah, let's take a week off. We may not be going up north, but boy howdy, we can, like, I don't know, go ride Suck Creek Road, maybe hit the Dragon, something like that. Nah, nothing like that. I was wildly mistaken.
Go cheat my dinner once again.
I got hit with it about Wednesdays when the symptoms started. It didn't let up until like a couple hours ago. Oh, there's my, well, I may not get a gap actually. Let's do a big fat stupid stinky no-no. Yeah, appreciate you. Yeah, if you can hear, my voice is still kind of messed up from it. It's fine, it's whatever. Like, I tried to go back to work Monday, it wasn't happening. I had to leave early. Like, I was miserable. Ooh, hello, 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 what the fuck?
2 seconds later.
Here's the thing. I've been living on cough drops and Claritin and the, like, you know, baling wire in the best of intentions, really, for the past 7 days. Today's Wednesday, so it's been a week. It's been a week exactly. Pretty certain it was COVID again. This would be my 4th go. Oh boy, I can't wait to see what that does in late life. Ha 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 ha. No, like, genuinely, it's fine. Like, it's not my first time getting mega sick. In fact, it's probably in the triple digits. When I was a kid, I had a janky immune system that didn't really work at all. Because back then they thought, oh yeah, we'll stop this kid from getting ear infections by taking out their adenoids. Yeah, that'll do it. That's the ticket. Nah. Turns out, that makes you more susceptible to infection later in life. So, thanks, I guess. Like, truth be told, I've just got, like, kind of shitty genetics, but I think part of that was, like, growing up on, like, chili mac and SpaghettiOs. Like, hamburger helper every night. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but, like, for a kid, there probably is, you know? It's kind of a big deal. Man, I'm still kind of out of it. I probably shouldn't be riding, but this is my sole means of conveyance, so yeah, let's see. I'm gonna scooch through here. Hope nobody important saw that. Whew! Riding like a hooligan. Not really. Like, there was space and I took it. It's all good though. It's not my first rodeo. I do that because, like, I do that right there a lot. Just because, like, it's safer to split up through into the gap than it is to, like, wait for people to be hurtling off the highway and potentially run me the fuck over, you know? You know, I don't do, like, lane splitting or filtering or anything like that. And traffic like this, because there's no fucking point to it. At that point, I'd just be overtaking in the oncoming lane, and that's a little dangerous. Like, I had plenty of space on either side, so I took it. And, like, it's not legal in Tennessee at all. I know this. I don't care. I don't care if it's illegal because it makes me safer. And that's the attitude that everybody should have about it. Like, I was thinking about it the other day, and, like, what are you doing? Just dodge the fucking holes, dude. Damn. Yeah, but I was thinking about it the other day. I was watching Yammy Noob. I know a lot of people don't like him because of how he did Spite. That's none of my business. But yeah, I was watching Papa Yam the other day, and he was talking about how, like, it's explicitly illegal to filter in Texas now. They made a law banning it because there are a bunch of like sore loser crybabies. They're trying to legalize it here. They've tried 4 or 5 times. It's just there's a bunch of, like, sour grapes type people in the state house here that are like, no, you can't split past me, so I'm gonna just do it anyway. Fuck them. And, like, the only time I won't really do it is if I see a cop around, and even then I'm not like 1,000% sure, but, like, it's not that big a deal really. The only people who get mad about shit like that are like, they think that you're like getting one over on them, right? They think that you're cheating, that you're skipping your place in line, but it's not like that, dude. Like, if every state had sensible like lane filtering laws, currently, I think California is the only one that's actually truly based about it, because they have like the filtering and the splitting legalized. But I think it was Minnesota that just legalized filtering. It's pretty cool. 6th state actually to do it. This reminds me of when they were like legalizing weed. Like, when a lot of states, when it first started, it was like 1 or 2 states, and now like suddenly it's most of them. Surprise, surprise, Tennessee is not one of them. I fucking hate it here. Don't come here. It's not that we're full, it's that it sucks here. Like, and a lot of people will be like, if you don't like it, leave. Motherfucker, I would if I could afford it. In a heartbeat. Like, I would pack my partners up and we would leave. Like, we'd go somewhere that isn't like this. I like how pretty it is, but I don't like the people or politics here. I think it's about as deep into that as I'm gonna go. Like, I say a lot of bad shit about Tennessee, and there is a lot of bad shit about Tennessee. There's a lot of bad shit about everywhere, but like, really when it comes to like negatives about a location that you're gonna be living in, like, I think it's more of a pick your poison type situation if you have the, like, you know, means to be that picky about it. I don't know. I'm grumpy a lot. I'm gonna go home and have a beer, probably edit this. Oh, there's brake lights. I should probably pay attention. That would be the second time I've ran up on somebody who was trying to come to a complete stop. Dude, what is it? It's a Wednesday, right? Like, I'm not tripping, right? We're in the middle of the week. Why is it this bad? I don't know, man. I didn't see him. He didn't see me either. Come on, bro. Speed it the fuck up. You're in the left lane. Come on. I hate shit like this. Get over if you're gonna be driving like this. God damn. Hell yeah, the Harley brother gave me the thing. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing anymore, man. I saw the siren there and it just reminded me that I'm like a series of very unfortunate events away from being like radiation poisoned, Chernobyl style. They're very unlikely unfortunate events, but they are still within the realm of possibility, and that makes it a bit of a thinker. Hell yeah. A lot of motorcycle people out today. Oh, that's right. One of my friends on Facebook saw my videos and got a scooter. Just like this one, got a PCX. I finally got a scooter friend. We're gonna have to link up and like putt around town sometime. I don't know how comfy she is being on videos, so that might be like a private affair. Scoot time. Send it for Bailey. Who's Bailey and why do I gotta like send it for him? Somebody honk at me, or was that an alarm? I think somebody might have just been like locking their car. That's cool.